I've seen valleys, the lowest of lows. I have felt heartache that would not let go.
Hey guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm doing Sadness from Inside Out. Last week I was kind of debating which one, what makeup tutorial I want to do. I wasn't sure if I want to do Waterproof or Sadness from Inside Out. And I went with, obviously, Sadness, because I wasn't sure, the weather and all this week, because I thought it was going to be rainy or stormy, and there was a couple times, well, to me, I thought, it was going to be, low 80s. I thought that would be, the pool water is going to be too cold, or something like that. So I think, I might try to do, a waterproof makeup tutorial next week, but anyways, let's get right into the makeup. Before I use any face paint, I'm using this face primer from Hard Candy and just applying it all over my face.
Always a plan. He has a purpose you may not understand.
Then taking some white face paint and a blue face paint, and I'm activating the white face paint with some water, mixing it together with the blue, and applying that on my face, on my ears, and down to my neck, and also on my hands as well. Since I need to make myself a little more blue, I'm applying the second layer of the blue face paint, and I'm telling you guys, I don't think it's probably the best face paint. I just found it at a craft store, and it's on me, it's super blue. It's making me look like a Violet from Willy Wonka or something like that. And by the way, as I'm recording this, it's literally storming outside, so perfect for this sadness look. Then I'm setting the makeup with some translucent powder. Taking this dark blue eyeshadow from my LA Colors palette, I'm applying that to my crease.
When the past it comes to haunt me, it tells me what I've done. It reminds me what's gone wrong. When my sins are
Then I'm taking this other blue right here and applying it around my face using the putty primer brush from e.l.f. Because when I looked in the mirror, it looked really bad, so I'm trying to fix that with some blue eyeshadow.
and if I fail, I will trust your mercy. It's greater than all of this.
I'm also taking that same blue eyeshadow and applying this on my bottom lash line and top lash line.
Hold me up, greater than all my regrets. You are greater than all my regrets. You are greater.
Mixing a dark purple and a light purple, I'm also applying this all over the blue eyeshadow we used as the liner, trying to create a little ombre effect.
I know I break your heart.
Taking this teal colored eyeshadow, I'm using this to contour the sides of my nose.
When I doubt your love, but you take me as I am, a child. Yeah, you whisper in my ear,
I also applied a little bit of that blue face paint under my nose to create my nose with that little button nose effect. Then I went in with that same blue eyeshadow we used all over the face to powder it down. I thought it would be fun to add some highlight to the face since Sadness is a cartoon, so I'm mixing Purple Horseshoe and Blue Moon from my Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit and highlighting my face and also highlighting the nose as well to complete the contoured illusion. And I also applied this to my lids as well for a little bit of shimmer. Go with the blue mascara if you have one. I'm using this one from Lorac. It's a dual-ended mascara, and this is from the primer side of the mascara. They came with a lookbook set that I got from Kohl's a couple weeks ago.
Hallelujah, you will never stop chasing me. You're chasing me, God.
For blush, I'm going with this pink color from LA Colors in the shade Sweet Cheeks and applying that to my cheeks. Going back with the light blue eyeshadow, I'm using this to fill in my eyebrows and then going over it with the dark blue eyeshadow next to it.
Greater than all of this. And if I bend and if I break, I'll trust the hands that hold me up. Greater.
For lips, you can go with a blue lipstick or maybe a pink and just dab it in with some blue or something like that. But I'm going in with this purpley colored liquid lipstick from Maybelline, the Vivid Mattes liquid lipstick, and it's in Wicked Berry. This was totally random for me, but I decided to paint my nails blue, and it's from the brand Sinful Colors.
Standing in your ruins feels a lot like the end. So used to losing, you're afraid to try again.
As for the hair, you can go with a wig, but since mine is already short, I picked up this L'Oreal Clarissa spray in Blue 300 and just spraying it around my hair. This is a temporary hair color, it's not permanent. And you might want to buy 2 cans if you're gonna color your whole head. I used one can, which I didn't realize I needed 2, so I touched it up with some L'Oreal hair makeup in blue that I got a while ago for my Harley Quinn from Suicide Squad tutorial.
So don't hide, don't run, 'cause God's not done with you. There's a light you don't notice until you see.
And there's the complete Sadness look from inside out.
And there's a strength that's growing inside your shattered heart. Oh, God's not done with you, even with your broken heart and your wounds and your scars.
I hope you guys enjoyed this Sadness makeup look from Disney Pixar's Inside Out, and obviously I know the way I did the face paint all wasn't like that great. It was the face paint, like the blue one, came in this like 6-pack kid face paint set that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I read the reviews and some say it was not that great. I think I might have to like try this again or something like that. Another tutorial where I have to paint my face and see. That way I can get like an opinion of what I think and all, but like so far I think probably not so great, or I don't know. Anyways, please like this video and subscribe. Comment below any makeup tutorials you want me to do. And until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!